hard. It doesn't get cold really, really hard, and it doesn't freeze hard and things like that. I know I'm inside the house, you know. I only go out when I have to go shopping or go live stream like this. There's nothing for me to do anything out here. I am working on it, but just afraid internet is not reliable here. Oh, that's right. You said that last time. That's right. That's right. You said that last time. Okay. Yeah, I finally upgrade to 2 terabytes a month. I use all of it sometimes by about 28th or 29th of the month, and I ran out of data. And it start running out of data, and it start charging me more as more. So with the Wi-Fi, because before it was like 1 terabyte, so I upgraded to 2 terabytes, and now we still use all of it. So the 28th or the 29th of the month, we're already out. Need to look into Starlink, I see. So we have the Xfinity, and we're paying $270 a month on that, including, because our television, you know, most television nowadays doesn't run without internet. So we have a television and 2 TVs that runs all day. And then I have MacBook, iPad, cell phone. My husband have iPad. So that's how many gadgets runs every day. So we use up a lot of data. Sometimes I have 4 channels that's running every hour, at least for 10 hours. And that's why I use a lot of data, you know what I mean? So because I'm supporting a lot of our group, our community. So some, especially one of our friends in our community, she needed they all needed watch hours before January 10th. So I'm helping them. Sometimes I have 4 channels that are live for them, supporting them. Yes, rushing. I think I'm thinking about adding more bytes, adding more data in there, because we always ran out towards the 28th or the 29th of the month. We'll see how it goes though. Hello, World Tours. Thank you. World Tours is very supportive, rushing. Have you met World Tours? Very, very supportive. Actually, almost everybody are supportive here. It's just that in different hours, you know what I mean? Because hi, Marcy. They live in the Philippines, and right now in the Philippines, if it's 9 o'clock here, 11, 12, 1, 2 o'clock in the 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 1 o'clock in the Philippines, in the morning, 1 in the morning. So that's why our time, it's harder. So it's easier if us go live early morning, like at 6 or 7 in the morning, and that's still early at night in the Philippines. Most of our viewers are coming from the Philippines, different countries all over actually. Because I have one from Nepal, Netherlands, and Hong Kong, Philippines. Sometimes, oh, did you see that? Did you see that flicker birds right there? It's a beautiful bird. That one is not shy. Sometimes I get 3 or 4 of them. I'm gonna record that one. Must be really hungry. Not afraid of me. It's a beautiful bird right there. I did a highlight.